Ready for more abandoned places and storms? Because that's what you're gonna get in this video. Last time we saw Big Sister Cat chase her first storm ever, and the days that followed gave us even more chasing. But before we started our next chase, we had to do a little exploring first. Found this abandoned boarding school. Look at this Art Deco style.
Wow, I like that Art Deco. I love it. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
What's it look like? Junk?
Oh, wow. I don't think that's a gymnasium. Look inside.
Whoa. There's an old mantle. Like people just use these old buildings to store their personal junk in. Wow. Ew, what if there was like a body in one of these things? This old...
No, I can't see with my camera. Yeah, it's just like weird junk. Like electronic stuff.
Is the old bleachers?
Yeah.
What, those little, like,
Yeah.
things?
I wonder when this
Wow.
school. Oh my god, there's bats, you guys. Oh shit, birds.
Okay, I don't think they're bats.
Going in there.
Those are
Look at them
birds.
flapping.
Those are birds.
They look like bats the way they're flying.
I kind of smell the mildew.
Yeah. It's just like...
Okay, I'm out.
Look at the old coat racks. Look at, is this like a weird propane thing? Wow, look at this weird high up door. That's freaky.
I'm not seeing any storm shelter, or is that it right there? Look. Oh, that's a mattress. Oh, hey, look. Wow.
Whoa. I think there could be like a rattlesnake in this grass. No, it's padlocked, but it's got a window. What in the hell is that? Ew. No, it's locked. Whoa, you can see, look at that old drinking fountain. Look at this weird little piano thing. Ooh, the glass is pretty weak. Ew, spiderweb just touched me. This is junk. Wow, they just left me back here. What the heck? This 1.1 square mile town had a population of 217 in the 2020 census. It was named after a nearby campsite used by the Comanche Indians. In fact, it was the main Comanche outpost in December of 1860 when Cynthia Ann Parker was recaptured. If you don't know who Cynthia Ann Parker was, she was a girl captured by the Comanches during the Fort Parker Massacre when she was 8 years old. She was adopted into the tribe, later married a chief, and had 3 children, one of whom was later appointed chief of the entire Comanche Nation by the federal government. When Cynthia was recaptured, she had already been living with the Comanches for 24 years. After almost a decade of being forced to live amongst the white people against her will, she eventually refused all food and water until she starved to death. What's the scene over there?
It's just one building, I think, for the high school, because it's not so small.
Ew, an ant nest. Man, I can't believe there's no sign for the year. A lot of times they'll have like a sign for the year up there. What is this, a weird old exercise equipment? What is this? What in the... Looks very old. Look at... I don't know what that label is, but... That massive chimney. Weirdly, you can buy a reprint of the 1958 Roaring Springs yearbook on Amazon for a whopping $80. After Roaring Springs High School, it was time to get on with the chasing. We had a slight that day with a 2% tornado probability. We also had a trough and a stationary front. A stationary front is where a warm front and a cold front meet, but neither one is powerful enough to move the other, so they sit there stationary.
That is so beautiful. Wow.
Look at all that convection we have around us. Can't get it. Look at that. It's just popping up right there. Oh, because you have the NOAA app now?
It says time sensitive right now in Close City, Texas. Where's Close City?
It's west of here.
Oh, and
West of here.
Oh, geez. I hope I got that.
Wow, that was amazing. Wow, look at...
Yeah.
You can just see all the clouds moving. Look at that.
That'd make a great time lapse. Oh yeah, look. The two storms are coming together. Look at that. Wow.
I love the way these clouds are rolling in.
This is totally different than yesterday, isn't it? See, Katie, do you feel like you're in another world? Feel the stillness? Look up above how those clouds are swirling over your head right there. I think we're getting a little haboob, guys. Look at this. It's a dust storm.
Well, should we get out of here? Is it gonna...
We're not getting right here. You can see the dust storm blowing out over here.
Coming in closer to us now.
Wow, look at that freaking dust storm. That's good.
Okay, that pale core, see the giant mammatus and that turquoise dot is what we're trying to get away from because they said there's going to be monster hail today. Okay, that is real rickety sounding.
Oh, did you get it?
Got it!
Oh my gosh, that was good. Wow. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, that's close, guys.
There really wasn't much going on. We did get a TVS, but everything was mushed together, so we just enjoyed how beautiful the storms were. Wow.
Got it. I don't know if I got that, but that was really good.
Oh man, she's gonna love those. The mammatus is crazy. It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh. I think I may have gotten that.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna go berserk right here, Kat.
Oh!
Did you get that?
No.
That was insane. As we're getting to the back of the storm, you're gonna see some insane lightning.
And insane lightning we did see. I haven't seen CG and anvil crawlers that good in probably a handful of years. We also had the strobe light lightning going. All the flashes you'll see are real time, those aren't sped up. We had a long drive to our hotel that night though, so sadly we didn't get too much of it on film. I feel like I can hear mosquitoes. I just heard some go. No, it was not a cow. Oh my gosh. The next day was upgraded to enhanced, and even though it was looking hot on the New Mexico border, and that's where all the other chasers were going, Dad was saying that the models were pointing to the Oklahoma panhandle. I wanted to head west toward Vega and then assess from there, but we ended up going north toward Dalhart instead. And surprise, surprise! Guess where the tornado was. I think it was a rather inconsequential tornado, so whatever. The setup was pretty messy and there was a lot of hail we had to navigate around. There isn't much of a grid in the panhandles, so we had to choose our roads wisely. And even though we picked the wrong area, it was still fun to be the only ones out there chasing, and the storm was insanely beautiful. The camera just cannot capture it and how turquoise it was, and it seemed to be hovering just above the ground, almost like you could reach up and touch it. Okay, it is like way more turquoise in real life than it will show on the camera. It's crazy.
Wow, look at that green, man. That is just crazy.
No, you literally could like go under him and touch the cloud. It's so...
He's rotating right here.
You can almost jump up and touch him. So you start to rotate again? Look at the center there. It's beautiful, but... Yeah, you see how it's expanding out? Oh, in the back? No. Oh, the one that in the middle? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Gorgeous! I think this might be one of the prettiest cells I've ever seen. Look at that. On days like this and like the one before, it ultimately doesn't even matter whether you see a tornado or a funnel or anything. Witnessing the pure beauty and power of Mother Nature is all you need. Huge cloud formations, surreal turquoise blue in the sky, mammatus clouds, lightning. If you have any kind of awe for Mother Nature, then days like these don't even matter because you still get something out of it. In the next video, we have a super fun Southwest chase and we find great abandoned places. And Katrina finally gets her first tornado ever. You won't want to miss that one, so make sure you hit subscribe and notify. See you next time.